Brown bear, brown bear. What do you see? Brown bear, brown bear. What do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, red bird. What do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, yellow duck. What do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, blue horse. What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, green frog. What do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, purple cat. What do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, white dog. What do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, black sheep. What do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Gold fish, gold fish. What do you see? I see a mother looking at me. Mother, mother, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a green frog, a black sheep, a gold fish, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a purple cat, a white dog, and a mother looking at us. That's what we see. The end.